Today, we'll be building our kids' supermarket playset, or as we would call it at BCP, Sky 5966 and 6564. This can get pretty tricky, so make sure you're paying attention and all the included parts and hardware are clearly labeled and organized. The tools you'll need will be included inside the product's packaging, but if you end up using your own, that won't be a problem. For ease of assembly, we break up our process into 3 parts: pantry assembly, counter assembly, and final assembly. For the first step, use a Part 2 barrel nut and bolt to attach the Part D pantry foot to the bottom of the Part B1 left pantry side. Next, attach the 3-part C1 shelves to the first, second, and last spot on the Part B1 pantry side. The shelves should all fit into slots and attach securely with 3 Part 1 screws. Now attach the B2 pantry right side to the C1 shelves and another D pantry foot to the bottom. Next, slide Part A2 pantry back bottom into the designated slots. Then slide a Part A1 pantry back top. Now, secure the back pieces with 3 Part 1 screws in the top, middle, and bottom holes. Slide the C2 shelf into the corresponding slot and secure it with 3 Part 1 screws. Next, attach the Part F pantry connector panel to the pantry unit with 2 Part 1 screws. That's the pantry assembled. Now let's move on to the counter. First, we locate the Part G counter shelf, then attach 1 Part I counter shelf front with 3 Part 1 screws. Next, attach 2 Part H shelf dividers with 4 Part 1 screws. Repeat to assemble the second counter shelf. Attach 1 Part L checker shelf front to a Part K checker shelf with 3 Part 1 screws. Repeat to assemble the second checker shelf. Then attach the checker shelves to the Part J counter back panel with 4 Part 1 screws. And now, attach 1 counter shelf assembly to the Part M1 and M2 counter sides with 4 Part 1 screws. Repeat to attach the second shelf assembly. Attach the Part J counter back panel with 1 Part 1 screw. Then attach 2 Part N knobs with 2 Part 1 screws. Next, attach the Part P countertop with 4 Part 1 screws. Attach the Part O counter front to the counter assembly with 4 Part 1 screws. And now, check your work and get ready for the final steps. Attach the checker shelf assembly to the Part F pantry connector panel with 4 Part 1 screws. Lastly, locate the Part Q conveyor belt and attach it with 2 Part 3 nut and bolt sets. Alright, congratulations! This product is now assembled. Make sure to join in the fun so your little grocer can have their first customer. We hope this has helped answer some of your questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time!